So we're stopped at a fan camp, Cheyenne Air Force Base. I have to remember the name. And it's amazing. Wind picked up all of a sudden. It was humid, fighting mosquitoes. Then all this storm blew in. And what's funny is it's all on the east side of Cheyenne. Kicked in at. To the west, it's pretty clear. You see the moon, stars, all that good stuff. Campground sits down on a little holler over there. On the other side of these railroad trestle. But then take dog for a walk because the wind picked up, and we start seeing this. And it's just a big lightning show. I mean, we get them in Arizona, but nothing like this. Just so much energy in the sky right now. It's amazing. But we thought we'd share this with everybody. We're still alive. We're still traveling. Made it through Colorado. But it's an amazing light show. So hey, if you see us on the road, you pass us, you see Hoosiers on the Loose on the back of that Montana, wave at us. If we screwed you over on the road, we apologize. We're not trying to. If you're out there, be safe. Enjoy it. Break it free.